Miami Heat 5-1 on the season, coming off their only loss of the season to Atlanta at home against the Pacers, but without Dwayne Wade in the suit. Bruised left foot, going to sit this one out. So let's see what LeBron James and company can do without their number 3 man. Chris Bosh going behind the back here to LeBron. It was that kind of night all night long for the Indiana Pacers. They get something going here in transition. Danny Granger finding Paul George for the 3. He had 13 points, but Indiana only 35% shooting in the game. More LeBron doing things like that all night long. Made the free throw as well. 5-point lead. James Jones filling in for Wade and doing so admirably on the 3-ball there. 7-point lead. Paul George then for Indiana, finding Lou Amundsen inside for the dunk. Nice move there. Keeps it a 5-point game. The Pacers trying to hang around. More from James Jones. 14 points in the first half. 4 of 5 from 3-point range. Got to get up on him. LeBron, meanwhile, NBA's leading scorer at 29-plus points per game, gets that and one again. Made the free throw. 53-37. Miami, and we're still in the second quarter. Dwayne Wade approves. The Heat get the steal. Mario Chalmers getting into LeBron. Get your camera ready. The big-time throwdown. 62-39 at the half, and it would just get worse. LeBron James on pace for a triple-double. Looks for Chris Bosh and gets it to him. Bosh with 22 points. More LeBron in the post. Back down. 12 for 21 shooting for LeBron in this game. Now watch this third quarter. Hold your breath if you haven't heard about this. LeBron gets the steal, goes the other way, but steps on Paul George's foot. Udonis Haslem puts it in, but the replay, one more look at it. See it here. A little awkward moment there. The twist of the ankle, but LeBron down for a few moments, but did get up, stayed in the game. And finished the big game. In fact, finished off the big quarter as well. Jumper here. No problems with the ankle or the foot or whatever. 12 points in the third quarter alone for LeBron. Off to the fourth we go. Off the miss. Norris Cole, the rookie, to LeBron. Finger roll. Made the free throw as well. And getting the bench involved. Make sure everybody gets some touches on this. He's got the magic touch. More from Cole again. The loose ball. And this time the alley-oop to LeBron. 33 points, 13 assists, 8 rebounds, almost a triple-double. 118-83, Bosh 22, Chalmers and Jones 14 each, as the Heat take advantage of 23 turnovers to go to 6-1.